Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get MAILGUN API key. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now go to the URL box, now type in app.mailgun.com. Alright, once that's done, just hit on enter and wait for it to load. Once logged in, go ahead and go to the top right and click on the drop down beside your profile or your profile name. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on API security. Okay, just click on it, and here we have secure API keys. Now do keep in mind that once you have seen your API key, go ahead and save it to a safe place because you will be able to see it once, all right, once you have clicked generate. Okay, I'm going to click on create API key right here. Go ahead and add in a description, for example, MAILGUN API. All right, once done, click on create or generate, click on it. And here you have your API key. Go ahead and click on copy. Now save it to a safe place like text document right here, my API. Open it up, right click and paste that in here, and then save it to a cloud or even your hard drives. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.